Welcome to our video about skinny side yards. If you live in an urban area or have a smaller lot, you might have a side yard that's a bit on the skinny side. But don't let the size of your yard limit your landscaping possibilities. With some creativity and a few simple tips, you can turn your skinny side yard into a gorgeous outdoor space that you will love spending time in. The first tip is to create a garden bed. Even a narrow garden bed can add some color and greenery to your yard. Choose plants that are well suited for the amount of sun or shade the area gets, and consider using raised garden beds to maximize space. Another great way to add some vertical interest is to install a trellis and grow climbing plants. This is a great option if you are short on space. You can also hang planters or use a vertical garden system to add more greenery to your space. And if you have a little bit more room, consider creating a seating area. You can add some outdoor furniture and create cozy space to relax in. Opt for furniture that's sold appropriately for the size of your space and consider adding an umbrella on shade sail to make the area more comfortable. Finally, don't forget about your walkway. A narrow walkway can still be beautiful and functional. Consider using pavers and adding some plants to create a welcoming entrance to your home. You can also add lighting to make the area more inviting and safe at night. Bonus tip: if your skin is side yard adjacent to your home, consider adding built and storage or seating. You can create a bench or storage unit that doubles as a privacy screen and make the most of the space you have. We hope these tips have inspired you to create a beautiful outdoor space no matter how skinny your side yard is. With a little bit of creativity and planning, you can turn your small space into a peaceful retreat. Thanks for watching.